Hello everyone. Today I'm diving into one of the coolest organelles in the cell, the Golgi apparatus. If you've ever wondered how a cell keeps everything organized, this is it. The Golgi is basically the cell's packaging and processing center. Scientists love to call it the post office of the cell because it receives proteins and lipids, modifies them, sorts them, then ships them right where they're needed, either inside the cell or out. Fun fact: the Golgi apparatus was first discovered in 1898 by an Italian scientist named Camillo Golgi, who spotted it while studying nerve cells. Now, let's talk about what the Golgi actually looks like. Structurally, think of it as a stack of flattened pancakes. These pancakes are called cisternae. Surrounding these stacks are tiny vesicles, like mini delivery trucks, that bring stuff in and take stuff out. Proteins made in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, yep, that's the RER, are sent over to the Golgi in these little vesicles. Once inside, the Golgi starts working its magic, processing the proteins through a series of steps. So how's it all organized? There are three main regions in the Golgi apparatus. First, the cis-Golgi network. Imagine this as the receiving dock, where proteins coming from the ER arrive. Next up is the medial Golgi, right in the middle, where most of the serious chemical editing happens. Finally, there's the trans-Golgi network, the shipping department, where everything is sorted and packed into vesicles, ready to head out to their final destinations. This step-by-step system makes sure everything flows smoothly and efficiently, just like a well-oiled factory. But what does the Golgi actually do that's so important? One key job is adding molecular tags to proteins. Think of these as address labels. For example, the Golgi adds something called mannose 6-phosphate to certain enzymes. This tag tells the cell, hey, send this enzyme to the lysosome. Without this, the enzyme could end up lost, anywhere but where it's supposed to be, which can really mess things up. Speaking of things going wrong, there's a disease called eye cell disease, also known as mucolipidosis 2, that happens when the Golgi can't add these tags properly. In this case, the enzymes don't make it to the lysosome. Instead, they're secreted outside the cell, and all the waste that should be broken down just piles up inside. This causes all kinds of trouble. Damaged tissues and organs, for starters. People with eye cell disease often face severe growth and developmental delays, skeletal abnormalities, coarse facial features, and sometimes enlargement of organs. Right now there's no cure, so doctors focus on supportive care, basically helping manage the symptoms as best as possible. So, to wrap it up, the Golgi apparatus is absolutely essential for making sure proteins get processed, modified, and sent to the right places. Its smooth operation is key for keeping our cells, and us, healthy. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you see the Golgi apparatus in a whole new light.